guys? Back working on Connor Subaru here. Picked up a gnarly diffuser for this thing, so we're just going to toss it on real quick, show you guys how it goes on. Alright, so we're going to start with putting these side pieces on, side fins, whatever you want to call them. Gonna have to drill some holes out in the side of the bumper here. And then I think these are just like rubber grommets that expand right here. And these will pop in, and then we'll just screw it on, and it'll tap in there, hold it on. So we'll show you guys, once we get these two side fins on here, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we got our side fins on there. Things are looking pretty good already. It's a little dark over here. See this one? There she is. Anyways, we got the last big centerpiece to go. It's going to be the hard part. And yeah, I guess we're just going to drill some holes in the bottom side of the bumper right here. And use these 4 mounting screw holes right here to mount that. And then we're going to drill some holes in the back here because the spare tire hits on this hole. This hole doesn't really line up. So we're going to pretty much self-tap 2 screws right there and there just to hold the back side on this thing. Anyways, see how that works out, and we'll update you guys when we're finished here. Alright, thing looks pretty sick. Pretty damn aggressive if you ask me. If you guys looking for a diffuser for your Subaru, hit up these guys. Pretty cool. Definitely approve of it. Might need a bottom piece here though. It's kind of maybe what we're thinking. But other than that, thing looks mint. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.